remember this was the very first thing that we talked about, and before we got to the point where we started doing other things, there wasn't any confusion on what was being asked here. But now that we're doing other things as well, there's often confusion. Finding the domain means your answer is going to be all real numbers with some either restriction or acceptable values. So to find the domain of a rational expression, all you do is you find what values of 0 would make your denominator, or what values of x would make your denominator equal to 0. So what we need to do is just factor our denominator. So if we remove a common factor of x, and then continue to factor this, the two factors of -2 whose sum is +1. Okay, so here are the factors of x, or I'm sorry, of our denominator. And so the domain restrictions are any values in which this would be 0. So we know x can't be a 0, x can't be a -2, and x can't be a 1. So when you write this, you'd say all real numbers, x, again, as far as how it'll be entered online, not equal to, and then write them from smallest to largest number. And so that's what you're looking for. You don't have to go through and simplify and cancel, okay, which is what most people are doing. Here you just find what the domain restrictions are. You don't have to reduce the fraction down.